Alright, boys and girls, what we're going to do is a quick video test on this Sharper Image DX4 in the house, because when I take it outside, I don't think I'm going to run the video. This thing has a habit of flying away, okay? And you know how this Wi-Fi signal interrupts with your transmission signal from the transmitter. And since this thing has flown away so many times, I think when I take it to the park, I'm just going to run it without the video. So I'll let you see the video quality from in here, and then you can make your own judgment on whether or not you want to buy it. I'll put the video in the I'll put it in here. I'll put it full screen too, so you can see the full quality of the video. When you put it in the corner, it makes the video look clearer and better. When you shrink the video down, it makes it look better. So you want to see the whole shooting match. So I won't run a long video. I'll just put a couple of minutes in there just so you can see what the video quality is like. So we'll just do it that way. I'll just take it off and spin it around in here a little bit, just to do the video test. And then when I take it out to the park, I'll just fly it without that. Quite a noisy thing, I'll tell you that right now. It is quite noisy. I don't think I'm going to be able to do any bank turning in here because I don't think there's enough room. Okay, I got a little one in there, but it's not going to be too much of that going on in here, I can tell you that. Got 3 minutes of video. So I saved half of the battery, so in case the video didn't work, I can reshoot it. Okay. Yeah, it worked. All right. So I have the video in here. I'll put the video in there full screen so you can see the full screen version of the video. And then when I take it out to the park, I might go out tomorrow. When I take it out to the park, I'll not run that, and we'll just try to get see what kind of flight we can get with it without it flying away. So, all right, guys. Have a nice day.